Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa with cherry tomatoes. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pints of sweet cherry tomatoes, a small red onion, and a jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget fresh cilantro and 2 cloves of garlic. These simple components are the foundation for a vibrant and delicious salsa that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to chop and mix your way to a fantastic snack. Now, let's get to the preparation. Start by having your cherry tomatoes. This makes them easier to chop and releases their juices. Next, finely dice the red onion and jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds from the jalapeno if you prefer less heat. Mince your garlic and chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Combine all these ingredients in a medium bowl, ensuring everything is well mixed for even flavor distribution. The key to great salsa is balancing the flavors. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime. This adds a wonderful brightness that complements the tomatoes. Then, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good stir and taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, a dash more lime, or even a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Make it perfect for you. Once your salsa is seasoned to perfection, cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your fresh cherry tomato salsa with crispy tortilla chips, or use it as a vibrant topping for grilled chicken, fish tacos, or even scrambled eggs. It's incredibly versatile. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade salsa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.